Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Bar 5.1 surround soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this soundbar not connecting to the network, not syncing or pairing with your phone or the TV or anything like that, any kind of connectivity issues or stuff like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is for any variety of reasons where you want to delete all the connection history, all the pairing history, everything like that off of this soundbar, so that you can set it up basically like it's a new soundbar coming out of the box if you're moving or setting or have a new network or something like that. It's really easy to do. We just need to make sure that first of all that our soundbar is on, and then once it's on, we're just going to come over and press that power button on the left and the source button on the right simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. And after those 10 seconds or so, the speaker will automatically turn off and then reboot into its factory default state, at which point you can set it up basically like it's a new soundbar.